Good morning students. Now in this video we are going to solve exercise B1 from your course book page number 142. The given exercise, it is based on phrasal verbs. Here we are going to solve it. The question is we have to identify the phrasal verbs in the sentences. We are given 6 sentences and we have to identify the phrasal verbs used in the sentences. Students, in this exercise we will underline the phrasal verbs given in the sentences. So let's start the exercise. First, see the question. Identify the phrasal verbs in these sentences. Already in previous video I taught you that a phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. So let's start. First sentence. The meeting was called off after the chairman fell ill. When we read the sentence, we can come to know that here the verb called off, it is a phrasal verb. Called and off. Next, I fell out with my cousin last year when he tried to cheat me in business. Here in this sentence, the phrasal verb is fell out. Fell and out, and it becomes a phrasal verb, fell out. Next, we are having a party at our place tonight. Why don't you join me? In these sentences, we are having a phrasal verb that is join in. It means be a part of something. Now let's move to fourth sentence. All these years we were in Jaipur. We just moved here in Delhi last year. Here in this sentence, the phrasal verb is moved here. Moved verb here, adverb. Moved here. Next, all her friends tried to cheer Ria up when she lost her favorite pen. In this sentence, the phrasal verb is cheer up. Here between cheer up there is a noun, but the phrasal verb is cheer up. Fifth sentence, last sentence. Do not worry, the police are looking into the matter. The culprit will be behind the bars very soon. And in the last sentence, the phrasal verb is looking into. So here we have solved the exercise. In these 6 sentences, there are 6 phrasal verbs. In first sentence, called off. In second sentence, fell out. In third sentence, joining. In fourth sentence, moved here. In fifth sentence, cheer up. And in last sentence, looking into. I hope you have understood it. Thank you, students.